Hi friends, this is Amrit and you are watching my YouTube channel The Smart Street. In this video I'll be talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty, how they have performed on Friday and what are the key levels for Monday. Okay, so here in the right hand side you can see I have already plotted Nifty and Bank Nifty key levels, which are pivot points, and on the left you can see Nifty daily chart. So let's begin. I will put all the indicators and we'll see how it has done. So these blue lines you see are the weekly pivot points. So at the beginning of this week we managed to close on the very first day on above the pivot level. We pushed up beyond first resistance R1, and on the last day we just closed below R1. Okay, so basically we are above pivot weekly one, so we are in a bullish trend, we can say that. Now let's look at the hourly chart. On hourly chart we are comfortably above the cloud. We are just below Kijun Sen. We have managed to close our 50-hour moving average. We are above 200 moving average, and we have closed just below S1 of Friday. So if you see how it has performed on Friday, so Nifty opened gap down, managed to hold Kijun Sen, went up but didn't cross the pivot level, and then slipped below and took a support on the cloud. So what are the undertone? Undertone is that market is still in bullish. On Friday Dow closed approximately above 600 points up, and for Monday the market looks good. It can open approximately about 100 points gap up. Let's see how it does. So let's look at the key levels for Monday. This is on the right hand side, you can see this is pivot 14,964. Top pivot is at 14,977 and below pivot is at 14,951. So if you see that the difference between these three levels is of only 13 points. So again, like Friday, the CPR, center pivot range, is very much tight, and we can expect a big move. So let's say that the undertone is bullish, so we will be looking for a target of R1 and R2 on a daily basis. This is, I'm talking about the daily one. So there is a high possibility of hitting R2, and not will be surprised looking at the Dow how it has performed on Friday, that we might touch even 15,296. That is subject to how it performs and Dow future is doing. Okay, so we will be looking for this target 15,194, and we will be taking trade above this level if it manages to close on a 15-minute chart 14,977. So now let's see on the weekly one, because from Monday the weekly level will also start, and there are only 3 trading sessions for this expiry, as on Thursday it's holiday, it's Mahashivratri, so the expiry will be on Wednesday. So weekly pivot is at 14,949. 14,955 is top pivot, and below pivot is at 14,943. So again, if you see that there is just a difference of approximately very few points. 43 is this, 7 points here, and 6 points here. Top pivot, below pivot, and below pivot. And the only difference over here is of 6 points, or in between pivot and top pivot. So the CPR is again tight on a weekly basis. So I'll be looking at that the market might give a good upside move, considering the volatility the market has now. Also India VIX is up. It's India VIX is at 25. Okay, 25.56. So for the weekly target, I'll be looking for a target of R2, which is 15,584, and there is a high probability that we might hit that level considering the amount of undertone that which is bullish, and considering the tight CPR. Okay, so we will be looking on a daily basis 977, let's say 15,000. Okay, so if it close above 15,000 on a 15-minute chart, we can take a long position below SL of 14,950, and on a weekly level we will be looking for a close below 14,940 to turn bearish. Okay, so if you look at the support side, it's S1 is at 14,626. I'm not looking at that market will fall below that, but still let's see how it performs. It's a matter of study. And on a daily basis for tomorrow, first support is at 14,836. Okay, so let's move on to Bank Nifty. Do note down all these key levels, which are very important even for the intraday, these daily ones. So let's move to the Bank Nifty. This is Bank Nifty, and here you can see the pivot levels over here, daily and weekly. So this is daily chart of Bank Nifty. Let me put the indicators. So again, you will see over here, these blue lines are the weekly pivot. Bank Nifty managed to just close below weekly pivot. Okay, it's still up above Kijun Sen and all. Cloud is bullish, future cloud is bullish, and let's go to 1 hour chart and see. Okay, so as in Nifty, you saw that it has managed to close above Kijun Sen on an hourly basis. Was that Kijun Sen? No, it was cloud. It was cloud, sorry. And it's closed just below Kijun Sen, and same is for Bank Nifty. Okay, but the difference is that Nifty has managed to close above cloud, but Bank Nifty hasn't done that. But considering the US market and the China export import data that came positive, so we are likely to open a gap up. So let's look at the pivot level. So pivot for Bank Nifty for tomorrow is 35,245. 35,254 is the top pivot, and below pivot is the 35,236. So here also you will notice that the CPR is very tight, so we will be looking for a big move tomorrow. I will be looking for a target of 35,968. So let's say it's 36,000. So the first support, if you look at, is at 34,875. I'm not looking market to fall below. Still, if there is a high volatility, considering that we might slip to 34,522, but the chances are not that much. High probability is of we are going to move approximately towards 36,000. So on a weekly basis, if you see over here, is 35,525 is the pivot level. Upper pivot is at 35,674, and the below pivot is at 35,376. So on a weekly basis, I will be looking for a target of 37,000 and 87 or 100 point, or maybe 200, 37,200. So I'll be looking for this one, particularly 37,000. Okay, so looking at the volatility, chances are not that big that we might hit 37,719, which is third resistance on a weekly, because there are just 3 days, so anything can happen. But still, I'll be looking just for a target of 37,000 for the coming week. And the first support is at 34,595, and that I'm looking for that it's gonna hold. It's not likely to slip below, but let's see how it goes. So note down all these. Okay, so for tomorrow on Bank Nifty, look for this level, 35,254. So Bank Nifty has closed at 35,228, and we are just approximately 30 points below the top pivot. And if on a 15-minute chart, if it managed to close that above 35,254, which is likely that we will open gap up beyond that, maybe around 35,500, something like that, towards R1 will be the opening. So we will wait for that to retest or come below, then we can take a long trade and look for a target of 45,968. So these are the levels that you need to look for Nifty and Bank Nifty. and you can note it down. And let's see, let me show you something that I wanted to in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let me hide all these indicators so you can see and understand clearly what I'm looking at on a daily basis. Okay, so if I consider this as a corrective pattern, ABC, this is elite wave that I'm now talking about. Considering this, and also it just came to 0.382%, the correction happened. So what I'm considering now, that this up move over here that you see, this up move that you see over here, I'm considering it as a wave 1. Okay, so this downside was wave 2. On an hourly chart, if you see, it comes down to in 3 wave ABC. So what I'm looking now is that we are starting another leg of upside, which is wave 3, and where it might end, let's look at this. So the first level I'll be looking at is 36,689, which is 36,700 on Bank Nifty, and finally wave third would be ending somewhere around 37,800 or maybe 38,000. So the probability is high that we might go up to 38,000 maybe next week, or maybe on Friday up to next Monday, maybe after next week. So let's see, but the probability increases if I look at here that we might test 38,000 maybe by Wednesday. Don't be surprised with that. If it doesn't happen, then I'll be looking for Friday to happen, this one. So let's see where we are when it comes to Nifty. Let me hide all these indicators so you can see exactly, and this is daily chart. Okay, so again, the correction on Nifty was 0.05, 50% of the upside move. Okay, it was not like Bank Nifty that fell up to only 0.382%. It tested this 50% retracement, bounced up. So what I'm now looking over here is that if I consider this as wave 1, this as wave 2, then we'll be starting a wave 3 upside. So where does that wave 3 comes? Let's find out. So if I see, this is the first I will be looking at, which is 15,667, and I will be looking for third wave to end at near around 16,165. That is a huge target. Okay, considering where the Bank Nifty has closed, which is approximately, I'm giving you a range of approximately 1,000 points, 1,200 points approximately, to say 1,200 points. Will that happen by Wednesday? Not likely, but I'll be looking for Monday to Tuesday or Nifty to happen, and we might hit that target, 16,000. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I have already mentioned the key point levels over here on the right. You can note it down and look for these levels on a if you are trading on a positional basis. Intraday, look at for the daily pivot levels. For positional, look at these levels, and then pivot is at 15,584. So this is the level where I'm looking for. Maybe we might hit 15,500, and there is a high probability we might hit 15,500 to 600 by Wednesday. Let's see how it goes. So this is it in this video, friends. If there is anything that you need to know or I can add something, please do let me know. Thank you very much, and please do like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much.